Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling with acne, dark spots, or hyperpigmentation? Then this video is for you, because today I'll be sharing 3 ways that you can use tomato to cure hyperpigmentation, dark spots, or acne on your skin. It will fade away. Like, if you keep using tomato, it will really help your skin. So I'll be showing you. See, this is a natural remedy. I've tried different methods. I've tried using, creams and all these skincare products, but it didn't work until I started using natural home remedy. Tomato is just the major ingredient that we're using, and it's, trust me, it works like magic. It works like magic. Like, I'm talking from experience. So if you use it, it will really help. When you use tomato on your skin, it helps. It has a lot of benefit. It helps for inflammation. It helps with to cure redness on the skin. It helps with sunburn. So if you're having sunburn, it helps to prevent sunburn on your skin when you apply it. When you apply tomato on your skin, the thing is, you have to keep using it. It's not something you use once and stop. You have to use it for a period of time, and it helps to clear your skin. It fades away dark spots naturally from your skin. It helps with collagen. It helps for collagen production. It helps your skin to produce collagen by itself, and it also controls excess oil. So if you have excess oil on your skin, tomato will help you to control excess oil, and also it helps you brighten your skin. So if you're having a dull skin, if you use tomato on your skin, you apply it in the right way, it will help you to brighten your skin. So we'll start with the easy way first. So the first way to do it is just to get your tomato, get a knife. Yeah, so you need your tomato and your knife, then you slice it into two. Yes, so just to slice it into two. It brings out the juice. You can see it. Yes, so the juice comes out. Oh, this thing is juicy. It's so juicy. So it brings out the tomato juice. So all you just need one of it, not even two. So like this one, since you have two like this, just you can keep this in your fridge and use it the next day. Yes, so you can use this tomorrow. So I'm just going to keep this in my fridge and use this tomorrow. So I will use just one of it. All you need is just one of the tomato. You just need this, then you apply it on your face. Make sure your face is washed. You have to wash your face properly, make sure it's clean, washed. Then before you apply your tomatoes on your skin, all right? Just apply the tomato where you have the affected area, but I always advise apply all over your skin, okay? Make sure you go around, apply it everywhere. Like, I can't really do it here. Like, I'm just doing this just for practical to show you guys, and because I have some makeup on. But normally, if I'm doing it, I will apply it all over. So this is just to show you guys how to apply. So you just do it, then you go down under your eyes area, all here, apply, go around, apply even under your chin. Yeah, just go everywhere, apply. If you want, you can even, I'm having makeup on, but if you want, if you're doing it, make sure your face is thoroughly clean, then you apply it even on your lip, because it helps to brighten your skin. So to brighten your lips, in case you're having dark lip, or under your eye is dark, you can apply it over there so that it brightens your face, all those dark areas, it brightens them for you. So once you're done, once you apply like this, you do it preferably in the night. Yes, best time to do this is in the night before you go to bed. After having your bath at night, you just apply it, graciously on your face. Then you go to bed, go and sleep. Go to bed. Then in the morning when you wake up, use warm water to rinse it off, and that's all. So do this every day. Let's say do this every night, and for like a week or two, and you definitely see the results. So I would advise you do like a take a picture of your face before and after, first 2 weeks, the first day and the last day. So after 2 weeks, and see the results. You definitely notice the difference when you do it. So make sure you do it and do it well. Okay, so this is the first method. The second method is using tomato and honey. So I have my honey, my natural pure honey here. Yeah, this is American green honey. So I'm using my natural honey. This is what I've been using for years, and trust me, it's good, it's pure. So this is what I'll be using with my tomato. Half tomato that I have, I'll just use it to show you the second method. So all I need is just to put a little of this honey on the tomato and apply it. So this is another method you can use to clear dark spots over time. Yes, so you have to use it. It's not something you use just once and expect it to work magic. No, you have to use it for a number, for a period of time to see results. Okay, so I'm going to open it and add just a little. All you need is just a little amount. Yes, just a little on the tomato. So I'll just apply it on the tomato and apply it on my face. Okay, so you just need this. As I said, like I said, make sure your face is washed before doing this. Like I've washed my face. I think the only thing I did was just to apply makeup, in the areas where I'll be applying it. So these are natural home remedies that will help smoothing your skin, help with reduce dark spots and any, dry skin and all that. So all you need to do is just apply it on your face. Yes, apply the honey. It's an antibacterial, it has antibacterial and it helps to smoothing your skin. It has smoothing properties that helps to smoothing your skin and fades dark spots over time. And so once you're done, you leave it for like 30 minutes. Yes, leave it on your face for 30 minutes. Then you can wash. Wash with warm water. Okay. Third way to clear dark spots, acne, and hyperpigmentation is by using tomato. Yeah, I'm using my tomato and turmeric. So this is turmeric powder. This is pure natural turmeric powder. Yes, so let me open it so you guys can see. This is a pure turmeric powder. And I'm going to be using it, mixing it with my tomato. So this powder and this turmeric powder is very good. It has vitamin C. It has properties that can help to heal your skin. So first thing I need to do is to wash my tomato. So I just finished washing the tomato and make sure it's thoroughly clean. Then I'm going to blend it. Okay, I'm going to blend the tomato. Use the smallest side, yes, to blend. Make sure I blend it to get the tomato juice. So that's the idea. The idea is to get the tomato juice out of the tomato. If you have, I'm going to grate it. But if you have a blender, you can blend it. Okay, you can use your blender. But I'm using a grater because it's just one tomato. I don't need much of it. I'm just using just one. So I'll just blend it. Okay. I'll just blend the tomato just to get the juice. You can see the juice, right? Yes, so it gives me the juice that I want. Tomato juice is very, very good. It contains vitamin. It contains properties that helps, to brighten and heal the skin. So this is it. We have the tomato juice here. We have So I'll just set this aside. So I have this already. So what we need to do now is to sieve this. Yes, we'll blend it. Sieve it to get the juice. We just need the juice, okay? We just need the juice. I'll sieve this, let the juice come out. And we want it smooth, all right? We need it smooth. It has to be very smooth. So that's why I'm taking my time to do this. So I'll set this aside and just sieve it to get the juice. Make sure I filter it very well. You need it to be very smooth, all right? You need it to be very smooth. It is good. I'll set this aside. So we have our juice here. This is the tomato juice that we need. Yes, we need this for the mixture. We have our smooth tomato juice. Next thing is to add our turmeric powder. Okay, yes, so we're adding our turmeric powder, and what we need is just little of this turmeric powder, not much, just a little of it. Okay, this is okay, just a little of this, because turmeric powder is very strong, can be very concentrated, as you're seeing it. And if it's too much, it will start staining your clothes, and trust me, we don't want that. And turmeric stain doesn't go off easily. So all you don't need it on your clothes, you just need it on your face, okay, to clear off every dark spot on your face. So if you want, you can add a little, but to me this is good. You don't need much of the turmeric powder, just a little, because you're applying it just on your face. Except if you want to make plenty of it, but to me, you can do this daily, 1 tomato and a little turmeric on your face daily, and you're good to go. You don't have to make plenty and keep. You don't have to make plenty and keep. You just need this, okay? So all you need to do now is to apply it on your face. Yes, you can apply this on your face. So let's go so I can show you how you can apply it on your face, okay? So what you need is your cotton wool. Yes, so you just need the cotton wool and you use it. Because if you use your bare hand, it's going to stain. You know how turmeric is. It stains, so everything just turns orange. So all you need is just your cotton wool or your cotton pad. If you have that, then you apply it. Apply it on your face, on the areas where you want to clear off, okay? Make sure you apply it there. So we have our turmeric and tomato mixture here. It's already thickens, so the more you leave it, the more it thickens on its own. So when we did it was a little bit watery, but over time it gets thickened, so it thickens on its own over time. So all you need is just touch it, tip it a bit, touch it, a little. You don't need much of it. Then you apply it on your face, okay? You notice the turmeric spot on your face, but which is required because you're supposed to see it, okay? So you just dab it, you dab, okay? You just dab it so that the water sucks and penetrates your skin, okay? So this is what you do. You dab it. Make sure you do it well, okay? Yes. If you don't want it to stain your hand, this is the best way to do it so that it doesn't stain your hand. All right? So you dab it, just apply it and leave it for like 30 minutes before you wash, okay? You leave it for like 30 minutes, allow the tomato and the turmeric to do its work for 30 minutes, then you wash. Make sure you wash with warm water, please. Warm water, use warm water to wash it off, and you see how clear and smooth your skin is. Yeah, if you're suffering from hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and acne, these are the 3 ways that you can cure them, like 3 with natural home remedies. Yes, so using tomato as your major ingredient. So all you need is get your tomato, try this method and do it over time and see how it works magic. It will smoothen your face, it will cure every dark spots, every hyperpigmentation and every acne off your face, okay? It will help fade away dark spots. It will help fade away those stubborn acne that don't want to go. It will clear it off. It will prevent it from coming afresh, and it will clear all those old dark spots that you have on your face. So these are ways that you can do them with natural home remedy, and with home ingredients that you have from your kitchen that you can use to clear off your face. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you find it helpful. Which of this method you'll be trying? Let me know in the comment section. Is it method 1, 2 or 3? Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you all for watching. I'm Anita Akoja. I'll see you on the next one.